Hey guys, Jeff here. Welcome back to Smart Shenanigans. Today, we're in the nice comfortable bed of my truck, and if you want to know where this came from, go check out my Patreon. Probably not up there yet, but I'm going to upload me building this to the Patreon whenever I get around to editing it. We're going camping again, as usual, as we always do. First Friday of every month, so welcome to March. We're actually going camping tomorrow, but I wanted to get this ready today because I'm basically going to live stream tomorrow morning, then straight from the live stream go camping. Sound good? Sound good. Sound like a plan? Sounds like a plan. Cool. Thanks, Jeff. You're welcome, Jeff. Self-fed. Jesus Christ. Alright, if you're not subscribed to the Patreon, this is what you're missing. Well, this is off to a chaotic start already. I like camping and all, but I like to sleep well. What I'm gonna do is in the truck bed, build like a more comfortable bed for myself so that I can at least sleep through the night and enjoy the sleeping part of camping. And camping should be fun. Camping, you do it however you want to camp. In here. I'm gonna put this on the bottom. Oh, that is delightful. Okay, good night. The best part is I already have all of these in the truck 24/7 anyway. I'm really excited for this trip, guys. This is gonna be awesome. Alright, stick around. I'll be back tomorrow. Alright, so we are out here in the great outdoors. No cell service. It's great. But I've got the usual camping supplies. I'm not going to use this because I've got all this stuff. But I need my sleeping bag, the Lucky Light, and the light that works. Alright, I'm set up for camping.
We're going to be using Yamacinco worms. It's called a Texas rig. We're just going to have about like a 2-foot leader with an egg weight. Basically the weight will just be held there by the swivel, and then that'll drop to the bottom, and then the worm can like move down like this and be in the current and make the action and stuff.
So this is my buddy Mason. You saw him a few, probably I think the November video at one point, so you've seen him before, but this one he's actually hanging out a lot more, so yeah, we're gonna go fishing and then cook some food and hang out for the evening here. And I know nothing about fishing, so he's gonna kind of lead the way on that.
It's like the blind leading the blind out here.
I love it. That's how we roll on Smart Shenanigans.
You know how to tie your fisherman's knot? You just like put it through the hole and then wrap it around about like, let's say like 6 or 7 times, and then you put the end of the line back through the hole.
Gotcha. And pull it tight.
Pull it down. You want to put some saliva on it. And these are little swivels. You put the swivel on just to make sure that the weight slides up and down the line, so you don't want the weight to slide all the way down towards the bait. And then also because the line twirls, so you don't want it to build like tension by twirling, because that will also compromise the integrity of the line.
Research.
Gale force wind.
Camping in a hurricane tonight.
And we got these little beads here. This protects the knot from being destroyed by this thing. Little weight right there, and then the leader.
All right, so we tried fishing. We did like 15 minutes of fishing before we both lost our lures. So we're gonna build a fire now.
Dunked my foot.
Yep,
So
his foot's a little wet now.
looking great.
Oh yeah, we're doing great out here. Well, that works. Lighter fluid does wonders.
Hello.
Yeah, right. You good? We're gonna put up Mason's camper here. Yeah, so we put this on a while ago, a few weeks ago now probably.
Popped it up.
Yeah, so let's do this.
Yeah.
I can help with it as well if you need anything. But it's pretty. Yeah. These things are wonderful. And it was super easy to install as well. It just kind of takes itself up. Nice. That's awesome. And there you go. So earlier when I said I'm going to set up the bed of my truck, because his is already set up, that's what I meant. It's that easy to set his up. Not sponsored or anything yet.
I don't know
Hey,
if I should say the brand, but
hey, the brand of this, you can fee your own brand. Reach out. Let's make something happen. I might need one of these, you know?
nature desk, where are you?
Yeah, right? So yeah, he puts these little metal things in it that hold it up nicely. Just bend them into place. And they just use tension to hold those the like rain cover thing out. That can be a door. This is a door. And on this side, that can be a door as well. So you can choose what door you want to use. It's what, 7 feet long?
Yeah.
About? That's nice. Gotcha. Yeah, about the width of the truck. Ladder that just folds out nicely. Wonderful. That's it. That's it.
Really all you do.
That's simple. Mind if I show them the inside? So we got the inside here. It's nice and washable, machine washable, I think, right?
Yeah.
And then it's like really nice and cushiony up here. Got storage up top there. This thing is wonderful. Again, not sponsored just yet, but maybe someday. Wow, this is a light up top there. I didn't know it had that. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Jeez, this thing gets better and better every time I see it, I swear.
There's a little battery pack.
Yeah, they got a little zoom
Yeah.
battery pack up there. Because God knows I couldn't have zoomed in editing. This mouse lives under the campfire, like pit. It's just vibing out here. There's a little hole right here that it keeps going back into underneath the campfire pit. The lights are coming in handy. Beautiful. Perfect. So these ones are what? They're
Chicken apple.
chicken apple. And then we've also got some jalapeno cheddar there. So tonight we're doing chili cheese dogs. round 2. Been out here for a few hours since dinner round 1. Alright, so we are out here. It is about 9 o'clock at night, and it is getting kind of cold, windy, and rainy. It's actually, I don't think you guys can see it, but it's pretty wet out here. It's raining decently hard and very, very windy. So we're keeping the fire going, hanging out. We're cooking dinner around 2 and just kind of hanging out and talking. It's pretty good. And I've had these lights going for actually like almost 3 hours now, and the voltage on the car has not dropped a bit. LED lights are wonderful. So I can run these for probably half a day and be just fine on the battery. That's awesome. That's awesome. I don't know if you can hear it very well, but you can hear the rain pitter-pattering on the roof. Little red dot there, that's actually my voltage meter on my truck. It shows me what the current voltage of the battery is. We've gone down 0.1. We went from 12.4 to 12.3 on the voltage meter. So we're doing pretty well. And I've had these on for what? I'll say 4 or 5 hours now. So LED lights, pretty nice. They don't pull much voltage. I like these lights. I'm pretty happy with them. They brighten up this area so nicely. Oh my gosh, you guys can see me so well. These LED lights are the only thing on right now, these Christmas lights up here. So I like them. I like them a lot. But it was a good evening. We kept the fire going all evening and got absolutely pelted by wind the whole time. There were a lot of gusts that were super strong, but then kind of died down a little bit every once in a while in between. And we had fire going, obviously. We had the rain came and went. It's currently here right now, and you can hear the wind kind of coming as well, but we're gonna head to bed here. But overall, it's been a good evening. I've been waiting to go camping for a while now. I've been craving camping for a while, so I'm pretty happy with this shelf here. Oh my gosh, this thing is amazing. I'm so happy with it. It's so great. I love it. It is quite wonderful to have, I will say. It has made organizing very easy in here, and I'm gonna work on, I figured out that what I can do in here, let's see if you can see this. So I'm currently just laying in line with the bed, which normally is too short for me because I am 6'1". This is a 6-foot bed, so it's just barely too short. But I figure what I can do, instead of putting my feet all the way over here and sleeping diagonal like I had originally planned, and the reason that I spread these out was so I could sleep diagonal and roll over without hitting either one. But instead of doing that, I'm gonna stay just in line with this. And if I need to sleep on my back, I'll just angle a little bit. So I'll put my feet over there and my head like up in this corner. And that gives me enough room to comfortably sleep on my back. And when I lay on my side, I can sleep wherever in here. That way I don't have to bother with like moving stuff around in there, put my feet in that area. I can just leave it as is. So I'm pretty happy with this. It is currently 11:19. So I'm kind of tired, so we're gonna go to bed. But I'm gonna play a podcast as I sleep tonight and listen to the rain and relax. The switch for these lights is like up by my driver's, like up in the front corner of my driver's seat, like over on the other side of the steering wheel. So what I'm gonna do is use this pole here that I use to hold the canopy window up, and I'm just gonna reach up there and just kind of like try to flick the switch with it, just go like and just try to flick it off. from here. That way I don't have to like get out, go around, turn it off, get in again. I can just do it from in here. That's why I have this window open. But yeah, we're gonna go to bed, but I'll see you all tomorrow. Thanks for coming along in this adventure. And once again, if you want to see me build this, go subscribe to my Patreon. Patreon is the #1 way to financially support me. If you have extra change to give, I would absolutely appreciate any support you can give to me. And in return, I give you special perks, and those are listed on the different tiers of Patreon support up there. So go check it out, patreon.com/smartshenanigans. If you can't support me financially, telling your friends, telling your family to subscribe to me and to like my videos and all that jazz also is a massive help. So thank you all for being here. I am loving this adventure, having so much fun, but I need to go to bed. My arm is exhausted from holding it up this long. My shoulder does not like being in this position for this long. So I will see you all tomorrow. Good night. I'll see you tomorrow.
All right, good morning. It's a pretty good sleep, actually. This is a very comfortable setup. I like this a lot. It's pretty chilly this morning, actually. Like, getting out of the sleeping bag was kind of a battle because it's cold. But yeah, I've just kind of been chilling here. I found out that like I can just kind of sit up against the back of the cab, I guess, the end of the bed of the truck here. And it's a really comfortable spot to sit, and I can look out and I can see the river over there. I can see the road over here. It's a pretty nice spot to sit. And I got all packed up last night, so the best part is I'm pretty much ready to go. I just gotta put like a couple things away and then it's all ready to go, which is so nice. I don't have to bother like taking the tent down or anything like that. It's wonderful. And I'm just gonna leave the bedding and stuff in here because it's cold and I don't want to put it away right now. So I'll put it away when it warms up. Pretty good sleep overall. Nice and comfortable. I liked it. How'd you sleep? How was it?
It was pretty good. A little windy and bumpy, but
Fair.
you know, it's a tent, so it makes sense.
Yeah. Yeah.
But other than that, pretty good. For a couple trains and stuff. The mattress was pretty nice.
Yeah.
Not used to that. Camping. So.
Yeah. Dude, that's awesome.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was quite a windy night. I even woke up to the wind a few times.
Very gusty.
Yeah.
And it did rain too, so the rain was fine.
Yeah, the rain sounded nice, actually. I liked it.
Yeah, the tent stayed pretty waterproof too,
Good.
so I didn't have any water come in, so.
Heck yeah, man. The sun came out while we were waiting here, so it's a pretty nice day out this morning. I like it.
Yeah.
It's nice and warm. The sun feels so good. We're gonna get all torn down. Thanks for coming camping.
Yeah, of course, it was fun.
All right, that's it.
That's it. Camping.
Oh yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please, as always, hit that like and subscribe button. This has been fun. We're gonna go home, go to work, and get warm. But it's a good camping trip. Thank you to the Shenanigans fans who have already donated to the Patreon, and I will see you all later. Stay motivated.